Kieran, what are you doing? That's an awful lot of waffle. That's an awful lot of waffle. You chew it up. Okay, so, Kieran, where's the light? Where's the light? That's your waffle. Can you show me where the light is? That's your water. Good job, big boy. Big boy. Oh my. Kieran, where's the D? Where's the D? Where's the D? Where is it? Where's the D? Where's the D? What? Kieran, where's the light? Where's the light? Where's the light? Where's the light? Where is it? Where's the light? There's the light. There's the light. Good job, bud. Good job. You eating your waffle? You see the kitty cat? It's a kitty cat. Let's see. Yep, it's the kitty cat. That's Amber. Has a light. Light. I love you. I love you.